Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to delete a voice message in Messenger. So guys, if you ever wondered how to do that, first is you could just simply go ahead and go to the Messenger application into your device. Now you can just simply go to the inbox on where the voice message is, on where you want to delete. And now from here, as you can see, I have a sample of voice message over here. So to delete this, I can just simply hold it and we will have the pop up down below and we will have the delete icon. So go ahead and tap on delete. And from here, you can select multiple deletion and select delete down below. Once you have selected everything, and now over here, you will have two options. You can either delete for everyone or delete for you. So go ahead and tap on it. And from here, you should be able to delete a voice message on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.